Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I've got a very easy Pokemon. This time we're going to show you how to draw Igglybuff. Looks like a balloon. So let's just start by drawing the front of the body with a nice big curve. And then right here will be a foot, so let's draw an oval that kind of crosses that line. And now we can continue the curve. So the curve is basically going to go like this. Okay, so from here, continue the curve. And then right here will be the other foot. So another oval that crosses that line. And now we can continue this curve up this way. Stop right there. So now we've got this tuft of hair on top of the head. So right here at this line, let's just draw a partial oval, and then another one right up here, fairly large, and then finally the third one right there. Let's draw the one eye first, the left eye, and it's again we've got this big oval, and draw an oval highlight. And now we can draw the pupil just inside, and we'll blacken that here in a little bit. So over here then, let's draw the other eye. This will be a little bit narrower, just because it'll be foreshortened. So let's draw that oval, and again an oval for a highlight, and the pupil. I'll go ahead and blacken the pupils now. Let's draw the mouth. So a line with a slight uptick on either end. Line and then curve up. And then a U-shaped line for the mouth. We'll just kind of indicate the tongue here and then blacken the back of the mouth. So let's draw the arms. So we've got an arm here on the left. Short stubby arm. And then one on this side. Finally, it's got a swirl detail here, so just draw a spiral that's somewhat ovalish, and it's not a circular spiral here because, again, just like the eye, it's foreshortened. We've got this head turned this way to the left. Next, I'm going to draw some shadow lines. And then one for the body here. And for the tuft of hair, and here on the eye. And finally, I'm gonna go ahead and outline this so the lines don't look so plain. So finally, I'm gonna go ahead and outline this so that all the lines aren't the same width. And that's it. This was Igglybuff, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching and have a great day. Bye.